I'm Terri the Tern. I fly here from Africa in the summer to breed in the Solent's Harbours. The harbours of the Solents are home to amazing wildlife and coastal habitats. Around the fringes of the harbours are salt marshes, vital for birds, fish and other wildlife. Salt marsh stores more carbon than tropical rainforests, great for combating climate change. And they even provide a natural flood defence. Let's take a look under the water. Seagrass meadows are home to a wealth of marine life. A single native oyster filters 200 litres of water per day, keeping our seas clean. In the summer, our harbours are an important place for seabirds like me and other coastal birds to nest and raise our young. In the winter, tens of thousands of wading birds, geese and ducks come here. But our habitats are under threat from human activity, sea level rise and climate change. Salt marshes are disappearing. We have lost 92% of our seagrass meadows in the last 100 years. Our native oysters have almost disappeared. And birds like me are under pressure from sea level rise and disturbance. But we can turn this around. We can restore our salt marshes. We can restore our seagrass meadows. We can restore our native oyster reefs. And we can make space for birds like me. Together, we can restore our harbours to a healthy, thriving place for nature for everyone.